So I was upstairs doing a video for the Blue Smoke channel, and I needed the air compressor. And I heard it hissing like this, and I thought, oh crap, right? My drain valve's bad. No, that's not it. So I wondered, oh dear, does that mean the fitting underneath has come loose somehow? And I felt around, and I found the leak. But the leak is 3 inches from the fitting. I'm kind of scared to be here. I just wanted to see that freaking tank is a bomb. It's a dang bomb at this point. I have no idea how bad the rust damage is. I don't know why, since I've been relatively good and semi-religious about draining the thing. Of course, it was a used tank. But, yeah. The DeVille Bliss is dead. Long live the air compressor. God save the Queen. This thing can never be turned back on. That is darn inconvenient. It sure could have failed some other time. But I'm glad that I found it, as opposed to it blowing up the shop. Or worse, blowing up with me standing next to it.